Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to hide the page title in the Hello Elementor theme. Removing the default page title allows you to achieve a cleaner and more customized layout, which is especially useful for landing pages or custom designs where the default heading might feel out of place. By following the steps in this tutorial, you'll gain more control over your site's appearance and create a more streamlined experience for your visitors. Let's get started. If you're looking for a simple way to hide the page title in the Hello Elementor theme, the built-in Theme Settings panel offers a quick and reliable solution. This method doesn't require any coding and allows you to manage the visibility of your page titles directly from your WordPress admin dashboard. It's perfect for anyone who wants an easy and efficient way to customize their site layout. Let's walk through how it's done. To access the Hello theme settings, start by heading to your WordPress admin dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the option labeled Hello. Click on it to open the theme options. From there, select Settings in the submenu. This will take you to the main settings panel for the Hello theme, where you can manage various customization options. Once you're in the Hello theme settings panel, look towards the top and click on the tab labeled Structure and Layout. This tab is where you'll find various options for adjusting your site's display and layout settings. Now that you're in the Structure and Layout tab, look for the option labeled Hide Page Title. It's a simple toggle switch. Click on it to enable this feature, and the page titles will immediately stop displaying on your site. This quick adjustment helps create a more streamlined and distraction-free layout. To confirm that the page title is now hidden, navigate back to your site's homepage. The easiest way to do this is by clicking your site name in the top left corner of the WordPress admin bar. When the page loads, take a look at the top of the content area. You should notice that the main page title, like Archives, no longer appears. This adjustment provides your page with a cleaner and more streamlined appearance. And that's it. By using the Hello Elementor theme settings, you can easily hide page titles with just a few clicks. This simple adjustment helps create a cleaner, more polished layout and gives you greater flexibility in designing your website. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.